ready. It took me about 2 hours to get ready to do my makeup and hair. And here's where I'm gonna be shooting my TikTok videos. I have a total of 4 videos that I need to knock out. So 2 will be here and then 2 will be outdoor, just because I don't want the same background all the time. So what I'm gonna do, you know me, you know my TikTok videos. If you guys don't follow me on my TikTok, by the way, follow me there, because I do a lot of different videos out there. But there's this one that I really want to do, this particular video. I already know exactly how to do it, so it'll be fun. So it's basically me throwing the shoes up and then changing outfits, and then yeah. By the way, this canvas, I got it from Iconic. Shout out to Iconic, by the way. I love this, you know me when it comes to, you know, motivating myself and other people. So seeing this, really big. By the way, I'm 5'3". So this is like basically 5'3" or like 5'2", if anything. But it's so big, there's no way that you won't be able to see this in this house. So I have this one actually over here. This is the success one, but it's still, you know, I just don't have space for that right now. Again, if you guys don't know, I just moved to LA recently, like a month ago, so I haven't really had the chance to like clean up or, you know, like organize everything and put everything in the storage, just because I have been working my ass off. So I have my chair right here. I'm gonna leave this here. I think what I want to do, I want to work with one canvas for now. Look how big this is. So I'm gonna have this as my background instead of having this in the background too, you know, we don't want that. And then I'm gonna sit here and then change my outfit. What you doing?
Right now I'm setting up the light for the TikTok video. If you show the wall that way, so without the light, with the light, evens it out.
First one was kind of stressful. Took me about like 25 times to get it right, okay? Just for one video for TikTok. Yo, dedication is real. Make sure when you do this, practice it a lot of times, because or else you're gonna make mistakes. And if you do make mistakes, you can always make it right. Like, don't worry about it, okay? I know. I wish you guys were able to see how frustrated I was, because like my boyfriend was helping me out, and he was telling me like, hey, say this, don't forget to say yep, and then, you know, and I just keep forgetting it, and then like, yeah, just a lot of things going on in my mind, like, you know, I'm just like overthinking, just like, come on, I just want to get this right. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the second outfit now. So I did the blue shoes. Now I am going to do the biohacks shoes. Let's do it. I don't know why I keep doing this. Alright. Got it?
Almost.
Look.
You gotta sell it. And we're done.
Make that pistol pop. Shawty got a bad boy fetish. Shawty come over and get it.
Get the fuck out of here. Yo, Dre. Give me a funky ass bass line.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yo, Dre, what's up? Give me a funky ass bass line. When I met you last night, baby.
Alright guys, so here's what my outfit looks like. I'm wearing this jaded London outfit. I'm really digging it. I love this style. It's so cute. Kind of reminds me of like Tommy Hilfiger, but it's so cute. It's even better than Tommy Hilfiger for sure. Look at this baggy jeans. I have no ass, but that's fine. Can we just like appreciate this look though? Seriously, I look fire right now. This just hella long on me. It's like driving the floor. I don't want COVID on my jeans. Let's go. Do you like my hair? Look, did a little ponytail.
I do like it. It's cute.
Cute.
What's up, baby? What's your name?
My bitches, good money. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. Turn your post notification on so you don't miss out on any of my video next time I upload. And I will see you guys later. Bye!